Okay, you can go. Come on. Mac, throw one of the crazy punches.
I think he's trying to get pissed off.
Mac needs to get...
Mad.
Yep. I don't stop recording until it stops. Do it! Somebody hit somebody! Oh!
God.
Oh! This is gonna be the best one yet, eh?
What?
This is gonna be the best one.
Sean's not gonna stop. Hurt my thumb. Told you, they're fucking bad gloves, man. They don't. These gloves are better than yours. Yeah, no, but like fighting with gloves is bad. Watch the step. Watch the step. So hard fighting with my ear hurts. Nice, dude.
Are you done? I think this is the longest bucket brawl so far, and I'm fucking cold.
Because you got punched out, so that one would have lasted longer, I think.
It probably would have too, since that's when I got stumbled to the ground. Oh, little Rocky. Little Rocky. It's not his fault. Anything, like, if that's totally by accident, it's okay. This is almost a 2-minute long fight, just saying. 2 minutes.
Which is the southpaw. Good champ.
Hey. Sean Williams in red. Mackenzie Merritt's in brown. And Tim Smith just burped.